everyone, it's Tammy, and I'm going to put together a coffee care package for my daughter. So I thought I'd bring you guys along because I know that the care packages are kind of fun to see. And I have on a new lippy today too, so hopefully you like that because I think it's kind of nice. And so I did cut some things out with my Cricut, and I made a little coffee mug and I put a little bow on it. I thought that was really cute. And then I also used the pin for this on my Cricut. It says coffee, a hug, and a mug. And then I also made, and I already put these on, a little cafe coffee with it, and I put a bow on that one. And then I did a little thing that says first I drink coffee, then I do the things. So I thought that was really cute. Now the only problem is with this box, these side panels, you know what, now that I'm looking at it, I'm wondering if I didn't, nope, it's the same. I thought that these panels were going to be a little bit wider, and they're not quite as big, so I can't really fit it on here. So I'm going to be creative, and I thought I would just bring you guys along so that you could watch me do the whole process. I'm not going to be too creative. I'm just going to fold this a little bit so that it fits in there and she can still read it, because I think it's just cute. And I just bought some coffee stuff, and I will show you all of it. Sorry, this is some inventory that I'm working on. Trying to angle it so that you see the box. Okay, so it's just a medium priority sized box, and so I'm putting these on all of the flaps, and I want to put this one on this flap, and it's not going to fit because it's too tall. So I'm going to just kind of make a little fold in here, but I'm not going to attach that part. So when she opens it, and I actually might even fold it the other way, that way when she opens it, that is sticking out so she can still see it. So to connect, or to attach that, I am just using some of my double-sided ATG tape. And I'm just going to stick this right on, center it like that. I'm not in my craft room right now just because the dogs are out and about and they're having a bone, which is great, but I don't know, I don't like to leave them totally alone yet. So I am sitting out here with them, and I thought I'd go ahead and get the craft on. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm just kind of folding it upward so she can still see the cute coffee pot, or coffee mug. I love it. Ugh. And I'm just going to put that one on the bottom. Okay, so then here's the filling stuff. I have some cute things. I purchased this on Etsy. Now, could I make it? Sure. But sometimes it's just nice to support small businesses and have people do stuff that you either, I mean, I'd have to go find the cup and all that, and it was just easier. So I did this, and it says Super Teacher, and then I have her name on the back, which is really cute. And she likes cold coffee, so that's a mug for cold coffee. She prefers cold to hot. So I even got her this Maxwell House French vanilla iced latte, and you can mix it with milk to make a latte or water to make a cold coffee, and it has 6 of them in here, I believe. Yes, so I thought that was kind of cute. Put that in here. I also got her a pumpkin spice latte espresso drink. This was at our market, and it I think it's just like the pumpkin spice latte that you would buy at the store. It's sold warm, so that's kind of nice. I can send it to her without having to refrigerate it, but it says best served chilled, and then after you open it you need to refrigerate it. So I'm going to put that in here. Let's see, I also got her some French vanilla coffee mate. This is the kind that you get at the Dollar Tree. It's crazy. It is, it says chill after opening, but it's totally non-refrigerated before that. So that's kind of neat. I'm going to find somewhere to put that, but I don't think I'm going to put it there because I also have these that you get at the Dollar Tree. They are cups, and they have lids. I thought this would be fun for her to go, and they're nice sized cups. They're 16 ounces. That fits right in there like that. Might be able to trying to see the best way to put all these in here. Then this doesn't have anything to do with coffee at all, but it is salt and vinegar almonds. She hasn't had these yet, and I know she wanted to try them, so I thought that would be fun to just include. Now this does have something to do with coffee, because I know with her coffee, she enjoys a muffin. And these are her favorite muffins that you make at home. She puts them in a mug, and it has this is the blueberry muffin one. This is her favorite. And I don't know, you just add 3 tablespoons of water, microwave it, and she says they are delicious. And it even came with toppings. So I'm going to put 2 of those in here. Trying to fit everything in, fit nicely, but snugly, so it doesn't like float everywhere. Good grief, I am so sorry, guys. This is obviously not ideal, and my pup is over here. Gosh, I'm sorry. Novice. So let's see. I also have this biscotti. It says "Dunk a Bite of Happiness," and it's lemon biscotti by Nani's. I don't know. They were individually wrapped, and I thought that was nice. So, and I believe I found them on Amazon. So I'm going to stick those in here. I don't want this to fly away. And then I also have this shortbread. That has to go that way. I don't think that this is individually wrapped, so I don't want to open that up, although I would like to get it out of the container so that it would be easier to pack. But, you know, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. This can is getting on my nerves. That's not a good spot. I think this is the only place it can go, so I'm going to have to leave it there. And then I also made this cup with my Cricut. Isn't that cute? It's just a little coffee cup. And I stuffed it with Werther's Originals that have cappuccino in them. I have never had those, but I found them at the market. And then these little coffee nips, which I think are delicious. So I'm going to put those here. Hopefully with this closed, it won't move them around too much. And then I'm going to fill it with, oh, here are the Werther's Original bag. So you can see that. I'm going to put some more of these just around, but I'm going to also fill it with some Coffee Mate coffee creamers. Woo. This can hopefully serve as like cushion, but it won't. Gosh, I hope this doesn't break open. That would be a real mess. And Lisa and I were going to do this together, so some of the things that you see are duplicates for her too. So that's partly why we've opened some of the things, just because she got some, I got some. We mixed it together. I'm gonna make sure this thing closes. Yes, that's perfect. And then I have a little hug and a mug card to give to her as well, so I'll attach that here in a minute, or I'll put it inside in a minute after I fill it out. There's nothing on the inside. I don't know why I'm worried about opening it so hard, but then it has made with love on the back, which I think is adorable. And then I made a cute little envelope to go with. So there's that, and yeah, I guess that's everything. So this is going to go out in the mail hopefully today or the latest tomorrow, just to, you know, give Katie a little boost and a little happy. I think she'll really like it. I know she'll love that little cold coffee mug. So thanks for watching, and sorry it was a little discombobulated, but it's what you got to do when you have animals or kids or whatever. It's no different. So there's that one, and then all of that. So fun. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.